In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change size limit of draft in CapCut. If you've ever run into storage warnings or noticed your projects getting heavy, adjusting the draft size limit can help you control how much space each draft uses on your device. This is especially useful if you work with high-resolution footage, lots of layers, or long timelines, and you want CapCut to allow larger drafts without constantly asking you to clear space. First, open CapCut on your device. Give it a moment to load your workspace so everything is up to date. If you're working on multiple projects, make sure you're on the main screen rather than inside an editing timeline so the settings are easy to access. Next, click on Settings. You'll typically find the gear icon in the top corner of the home interface. On some devices, it might be labeled Settings outright. Either way, tap the gear to open the app preferences. This is where CapCut keeps controls that affect how the app stores media and project drafts. Inside Settings, go to the Draft section. This area focuses on how your in-progress projects are saved. It helps you manage how much space CapCut allocates to drafts, which directly impacts performance and storage usage over time. If you don't see draft immediately, scroll through the settings list. It's usually grouped with storage or cache options. Now look for Size Limit. This option defines the maximum size CapCut allows for an individual draft before it starts restricting additional data or prompting you to manage storage. Think of it as a ceiling that keeps drafts from growing beyond the level you're comfortable with. Depending on your version, you may see common sizes measured in megabytes or gigabytes. Finally, choose any size that fits your workflow. If you edit short clips or you're tight on storage, pick a smaller limit to keep drafts lean. If you edit 4K videos, use lots of effects, or prefer fewer interruptions, choose a larger limit so your drafts can accommodate bigger media. Keep in mind that increasing the limit will consume more device storage, so leave headroom for other apps and files. After selecting the size, CapCut will apply the change right away, and your future drafts will follow this limit. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to Settings, head into Draft, find Size Limit, and select the size that matches your needs. If you ever change your editing style or run low on space, come back and adjust the limit again. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!